Welcome to CubePlus by Tradejini. Congratulations on setting up your new account. You're now just a few steps away from placing your first trade. To begin with, add funds. Before placing your first order, make sure you've added funds to your CubePlus account. You can do this from the funds section on the product section. Then, search for a stock. Tap the search icon and type in the name of the stock you want to trade. Found it? Tap on the stock to open the details screen. Here you'll see everything you need to make an informed decision, from seasonality charts to fundamentals, from technicals and more, all in one place. Now tap Buy. Once you've done your research, tap the Buy button to go to the order screen. Choose your order type: delivery for delivery-based long-term holdings, intraday for intraday trades, cover order and bracket order. Next, choose how you want to place the order: market to buy at a current market price, limit to buy at a specific price, SL or SL market. Once you're ready, tap the instant buy to place your order. It's as simple as that. Follow Tradejini to learn more about how CubePlus can help in your trading and investing journey.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.